Dr. Robert Brown had been staring at the same electron microscope image for 3 hours when he finally saw it. Something impossible. In Lab 7 of a remote research facility, a Martian soil sample sat in a hermetically sealed container. This wasn't about radiation. It was about life. "Tell me I'm crazy," Robert said. His colleague, Dr. Sarah Jameson, leaned in. "You're not crazy," she whispered. "That's definitely a DNA helix." But this was no ordinary helix. Earth life uses 4 nucleotide bases. This thing had 13. Robert was floored. This wasn't just microbial life. It was complex, sophisticated. "This isn't random evolution," he told Sarah. "Someone designed this." He asked for 48 hours to sequence it before alerting their director. He needed to understand what they were dealing with. As Sarah left, she asked him what he thought it was. "I think," he said, "we just opened Pandora's box." Alone in the lab, Robert analyzed the data. The alien proteins were brutally efficient, designed with a purpose. He thought of his daughter, Emma, and promised to see her for Parents' Weekend, a brief moment of normal in a world that was about to change forever. That night, he dreamed of vast green tendrils spreading across a red desert, reaching for Earth, and a hungry, primal feeling. Home. Return home. He woke to an urgent email from Director Walsh. The sample was growing, rapidly, 300%, in 6 hours. In Lab 7, a strange, beautiful plant now filled the containment pod. Crimson and purple, with glittering crystalline hairs and bioluminescent veins pulsing with blue-green light. It was growing before their eyes, pulling carbon from the air and generating its own water. "It's not just a plant," Robert declared. "It's a biological machine." They moved it to the highest level of containment, a reinforced bunker deep underground. As Robert and Sarah studied it, they realized the organism was more than just a plant. It had a network of cells that resembled a nervous system. It was thinking. Then, the unimaginable happened. The bioluminescent veins began pulsing in a complex, rhythmic pattern. The computer confirmed it. 94% probability of intentional signaling. The Martian vine was trying to communicate. But as Robert stared at the data, an alarm blared. A hairline crack had appeared in the reinforced plexiglass. A single, wire-thin tendril was forcing its way through. What does this alien life form want? And what happens now that it's breaking free? Follow for the next part of Genes of Peril. If you're on the edge of your seat and need to know what happens next, you can find out by hitting that subscribe button so you can see all my novel previews. The complete story is available in My Novel for Sale on Amazon. And while you're there, be sure to check out my other novels. They range from science fiction to adventure and historical. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next chapter.